to add friends on PS5 from Xbox. In this video, I'll show you how to add friends on PS5 from Xbox. So first is to choose a cross-play game. Popular cross-platform games include Fortnite, Call of Duty, Minecraft, Rocket League, Apex Legends, and Overwatch 2. These games let you play with friends on Xbox, PC, Switch, and mobile. Now, the next step would be to create an in-game account. Most cross-play games use their own account system, such as Epic Games for Fortnite, Activision for Call of Duty, EA account for Apex Legends, and Microsoft or Xbox Live for Minecraft. Create an account and link it to your PS5 profile. Now, go ahead and add your friend using their in-game username. So, open the game on your PS5, go to the Friends or Social tab, and then enter your friend's in-game username, not their Xbox gamer tag. Send a friend request, and then once accepted, you can invite them to play even if they're on Xbox. So what you can't do, you can't add Xbox friends to your PS5 system friends list. You can't message Xbox friends through PS5 messaging.